How are you? Today we are going to discuss about the MCQ test of C Math of food service operation. Now, here are 20 MCQs questions and all multiple questions. Choosing the correct answers, and you can collect this information from this video, and you can enjoy onto your examination. Okay, I'm moving MCQs test. First, if four people sit at each table at a banquet, how many tables are required for banquet of 96 peoples? The given four option, you can choose correct option. Therefore, you need to know about the uh, number of tables. For that purpose, you can find out 96 are the peoples divided by 4 is equal to how many tables are required for 24 tables. Therefore, the option D is correct. Okay, and next one we have uh, if the bill for a party is $500 and it is to be split means dividing into different portions evenly by four customers, how much must each customer pay? uh, for the CCU you can calculate for $500 divided by how many customers we have, four customers, and the result will option B. Therefore, $125 is the correct answer. Now move on. C. If there is room to store 12 cases of the salt and there are only 4 cases storage, how many more cases of salt can be placed in storage? We have 12 cases of salt and 4 cases only we have storage. And how many more placed from this store? This is 8. Therefore, the answer is A. Okay, and next one, what is portion size? Portion size, this is the theoretical question. Amount of food or beverage items, this is not option. Amount of food or beverage items which is served to individual persons, or amount of food or beverage items that is served to whole group. This is the confusion between two options. Therefore, the correct option is option B. They involve individual person. Okay. Move on next question. The standardized recipe for chicken pot pie calls for 10 pounds of cooked chicken meat, and it's scaled to use 14 pounds of available cooked chicken meats. What is the scaling factors? Scaling factors you can find out from this question. How many pounds you can use? You use 14 pounds divided by, and you cooked. How many pound you cooked? 10 pound. 10. Therefore, the answer is 1.4. This option is available on option A. Now, question number 6. Edible portion quantity calculated by using which formula? Edible portion quantity, EPQ. Okay. How to calculate the EPQ? For these questions, we have AOQ into YP, APQ into YP, or EPQ, EOQ into YP. The final answers is option C. Okay, APQ into YP. Is purchase quantity divided by L percentage. Weight of weight of main ingredients is calculated by which formula? The question's answers, correct answer is like WM dy divided by TBP. Oh no. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, now move on question number 8. A bridal shower is booked for 240 people. How many tables would have to be set up in 8 people seat each table? From these questions we have 8 peoples in single tables, and total person onto this program is 240. Therefore the answer you can calculate from this information, 240 divided by 8 is equal to, the answer is option A, 30. Okay. Next one, 1 gallon is how much customary system equivalent of tablespoons. The given informations, we can find out the uh, answers, correct answers, maybe in which 256. Oh no, the correct answer is D. Okay. Now move on. Question number 10. Target price calculated by using which formula? The target price is equal to H cost, SR cost divided by target food cost percentage. Okay. Option A is correct. Other questions is just only forecasting of your shells. These options involve onto these last chapters. Therefore, this is not a good option for these questions. Okay. Now move on. Question number 11. If the bill for the party is $500 and it is to be split evenly by customers, how much must each customer pay? Your answers came 500 divided by 4. Like the answer is 125. Option C is, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. You can find out the 125. This is the answer. Oh no. The given data is in dollar. Therefore, this is not a correct answer. This is the correct answers. Okay. Option C is the correct answers. And move on question number 12. If there is room to store 12 cases of salt and there are only 4 cases storage, how many more cases? This question is repeated on the above 1 questions. The correct answer is this one. Okay, this is options will be came into your examination: A, B, C, and D. Okay. Therefore, the answer is this one. Now move on question number 13. If each serving dish contains 40 servings of food, how many servings are contained in a 5 serving dish? The given informations, you can calculate 400 servings. It means that each serving dish have of 400 servings. And how many contains into your food service separation? This is the 5 into 5. Sorry. This one is 40. Okay, this one is 40 into, we have 5 into 5 is equal to 200. Therefore 200 D's. Option B is correct. Now move on question number 14. A bridal shower is booked in 240 people. How many tables would have to be set up in 8 people sit in each table? This question is also repeated from the above questions. The final answer, it means that correct answer is option C. Okay. It means that it will become into your examination option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay. Next, profit and loss account is calculated by using which formula? Profit and loss means total revenue minus total expenses. This is the short form of your profit and loss accounts. PL means profit and loss, TR minus TE. This is the correct answers. Okay. TR means total revenue or total sales minus TE means total expenses. Total expenses involve variable expenses and fixed expenses. Okay. Therefore, option A is correct. And next one, what is the gross profit of food service operations with a total revenue of $28,500 and the cost of goods sold of $9,450? You can calculate from this GP. Gross profit is equal to total sales TR minus CGS. CGS means cost of goods sold. Okay, and your answers will come 28,500 minus 9,450. Therefore, the final answers will be like your 19,050. Okay, This is the answers. Oh, yeah, this is the correct answer, 19050. But the given data in dollar, therefore this is not a correct answer. Option D is correct answers. Okay. Now move on question number 17. Target price calculated by using which formula? This question is also repeated from the above questions. A, B, C, and D. Therefore, the correct option is H cost divided by target food cost percentage. Okay, this option is correct. Now move on. 18. How to calculate the volume of stock bond? The answer is 2 pi RS. Oh no, pi R square S. Okay, correct answer is option A. How to calculate the H purchase unit cost? H purchase unit cost, how to calculate? The option A. APC divided by NU. H purchase cost divided by number of NU means number of unit. Okay, this is the formula. Finally, 20. Mode means. This is the average value of numerical value. Is it correct? Oh no! The correct answer is option A. Mass repetition is the mode, and this value needs to central. It means that middle value. Okay. This is the MCQ test of your examinations, and now I want to show some questions for examinations over here. I didn't have no more time for solving this problem, so just only I demonstrate these questions onto this screen. If you have any query, you can ask me from these given questions. First question asks, list the 6 customer measurements equivalents per volumes and that every food service employee should memorize. Basically, we have customer measurements. You need to know about the 1 gallon is equal to 4 pence. Similarly, blah blah blah, you need to write over here. And next one, question number 2, if 1/4 cup of the spice mixture is prepared and 1/3 cup of the spice mixture used during lunch, and how much spicy mixture remain, it means that you need to deduct this data from the 1/4 minus 1/3, and your result may be came on minus values. Okay, no worry. And your answer will be correct. Do not focus on to your answers. Okay, list the 3 utilities. Utilities means expenditures onto your food service operation that could be considered operating expenses in a food service operation. Okay, you need to write in 3 major utility what types of expenditures or activities perform into your food service operation. You need to write, and you can source onto your book, say math book. Okay, now consider the following informations. You can calculate from the variable cost and fixed cost. The given data have of total cost. How to calculate total cost? Total cost is equal to FC, fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay. Firstly, you need to know about the data. BCPU is equal to SC minus LC divided by HU minus LU. From this data, this is the unit. High unit or low unit to find out from this column, and HC minus LC, the cost of goods or cost of food. This is the cost column. Here are highest cost is 10,000. Highest cost is 10,000 minus lowest cost is 5,000. Okay, high unit is 5,000 and lowest cost unit is 2,500. Okay, you have onto this data, you can find out 5,000 divided by 2,500. 500 and 500, 25 into 2 is equal to 2 RS per unit with CPU. And FC you can find out from this data. You can take any one cost from this column. I'm taking from this lowest cost and lowest unit. Therefore, FC is equal to total cost minus BCPU into units. Okay, now you can write over here total cost and taking 5,000 minus BCPU is 2 into units is 2,500. Therefore variable cost going on 0. Okay, don't worry about it. And this is the answer is completed. Okay, BCP variable cost per unit. And if you want to calculate the variable cost just only of this issues, 2502 is equal to 5000. Okay, basically we can find out over the data. Therefore this is not necessary for calculate another total amount. Okay, now move on question number 4. Define break-even point. BEP means neither profit nor loss position of the company. You know, neither profit nor loss position of the company. On the other hand, when the total cost and total sales equilibriums between each others, in these points it's called break-even points. Okay, find out the BEP in RS and BEP in units from this given data. Here are variable cost per unit BCPU, here are FC, and for RS, this is the FC is over here. BEP in RS is equal to FC divided by CMPU. Okay, sorry, unit PV ratio. You need to write PV ratio, not a CMPU. CMPU for calculate unit. Okay, PV ratio, and in units you can calculate FC divided by CMPU. Okay, CMPU, how to calculate? CMPU is equal to SPPU minus BCPU. We have SPPU which is 950 minus 550. This is your answer. And PV ratio PVR is equal to CMPU divided by SPPU. Okay, CMPU calculate from this data, and SPPU you can divide, and you can find out the PV ratio. PV ratio use over here, and CMPU use over here, and your answer will be came onto your answer sheet. Now move on question number 5. What is the food and beverage subtotal on a guest check that contains the following orders? 2 sandwich. 2 means at the rate is given over here. 2 into 7.95. 1 salad, this is the 6.95, plus 2 desserts at the rate 4.50 each. The given data you need to multiply into 7.95 into 2, first one. Second one is 6.95 into 1, and third one we have 4.50 into 1. This is the easy way you can calculate oneself. Okay, similarly question number 6, question number 7, this is the theoretical questions. What is the important you need to write over these questions. And question number next, this is the ingredients or recipes, deciding for your food F&B, food service operation. You need to find out, and you need to search into your book, and you can find out these answers. Do not search the Googles. Okay, there are different many more answers will be available, but you can find out the exact answer on your book. List out the customer measurement equivalence. Customer measurement equivalence involve, now we have measurement weights, temperatures, volumes. Okay, you need to write over here customer measurements. How to calculate it? You need to write an example as well. Okay, 3 utilities already above mentioned in these questions, and this question is numerical questions. Okay, you can find out these issues. And similarly we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and this question is long questions. You can calculate, or you can using this data. And next one, question number 9 we have, and question number 10, this data is over here. I have so much limited time, therefore I am unable to solve these questions. You can solve oneself. If you have any query, you can ask onto this platform. Okay, or you can directly call me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and one time subscribe. Okay.